All right, good morning, everyone. We are walking to our meeting point for Machu Picchu, or well, the Inca Jungle Trek. We have this massive bag, and it's gonna be a rough one, I think. But we're doing a 4-day hike in, and then we're staying extra days for 5 days in total, so we needed to kind of have a lot. We got to be there in about 15 minutes, and then they're taking us to Alba Madgra, I think that's how you say it, to start the first leg of the trek, which isn't really trekking, it's downhill mountain biking for 3 hours. But that'd be the start. So, just gotta get to the bus right now. We're on the bus and on our way to our first part of the trek. We both have to poop really bad, so we're hoping we get there in time. We'll see. We made it to the first stop, which is the bathroom.
Coffee.
Yeah, and the bathroom. Primarily bathroom.
Look at the little baby.
We just got to the top of Alba Madgra, where we're starting to ride our bikes. Ours aren't here yet, we're waiting on them. And we're gonna go down.
Yeah, the view is stunning. There's so many streams or rivers coming down from the top of the mountain. You can't even see the top of the mountain. It's covered by the clouds.
There's one of them. Yeah, so see you at the bottom. Got like 1 more hour left on the hill. We stopped, we got soaked. Jordan's got shit on her shoe, the whole thing.
Dropped my phone. It was great.
I could not be happier to find this at the end of the bike.
Kitty. Hey.
Okay, so we just finished the bike ride. We're on our way to get lunch, but there's a landslide, so we're stuck. So we're just sitting here waiting. Most people hustling pineapple all over us. Okay, we just got to our little hostel in Santa Maria, just ate lunch and all that, and we're going river rafting in a second. We're not gonna bring our phone and take video because it's kind of sketchy. We don't want to lose our phone, so it's gonna have to believe us that it's cool if it is.
I already almost lost mine once when we were riding bikes, so I'm not gonna risk it again today.
Oh yeah, listen to me. Forward! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen to me, my friends. Everybody inside!
Oh my God!
1, 2, 3. Fucking buenos, oh my God. 1, 2, forward. Don't be scary. You can do it. Don't be a pussy, amigo. 1, 2. Good job. Give me 5 winners. 1, 2, 3.
So we just got back from river rafting and it was super fucking fun.
So fun.
So much fun. Now we're gonna go eat and maybe get a beer.